Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I did get a new microphone, so the audio should be really crisp. We ended up getting a new sign for our laundromat. Before we had a 4x8 sign just like this. Didn't really do much, couldn't really see it from the street. It lit up, but it was like one light bulb and didn't really do a good job at night. So we ended up deciding to take this all down, put up laundromat in big red letters. I got some clips of the guys installing it. So let's see the job they did. And this is what the sign looks like at night, lit up. Let me know what you think of the sign. If you think it's trash, let me know below. If you think it's awesome, let me know below. And we'll see you next video.